In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Zotero. So if you've accidentally deleted something important, don't worry. We're going to walk through the simple steps to get your files back. To begin with, open the Zotero desktop application. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Zotero website. Once you've got the app open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a series of options. Among these, you'll find one labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on it. The Trash folder in Zotero works much like a recycling bin or trash can on your computer. It temporarily holds items you've deleted, allowing you to recover them before they are permanently removed. Opening it will show you a list of all the files and references you've deleted. Take a moment to browse through this list and locate the item or items you want to recover. Once you've found the file you wish to restore, it's as easy as right-clicking on the item. When you right-click, a context menu will appear, giving you several options. Look for the option that says Restore to Library. Clicking this will move the selected item from the trash back into your main library, exactly where it initially was before being deleted. Restoring items in Zotero really is as straightforward as that, but it's important to mention a couple of considerations. If you don't see a file you're looking for in trash, it might have been permanently removed, either manually or because a specific period of time has elapsed. In these cases, retrieval becomes much more complex, and you might need to look into backup solutions or contact support for additional help. Additionally, if you've synced your Zotero library with the online version, the changes you make on your desktop should automatically update online as well. Just ensure that you're connected to the internet and check the sync status in the upper right corner of Zotero to verify that everything is current. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy to lose track and accidentally delete files. Thanks to Zotero's user-friendly interface, recovering your lost references and files is a quick, non-stressful task. Being familiar with this function can save you stress and time, allowing you to continue focusing on your research or projects with minimal interruption. That's all there is to it. Hopefully, you now feel more confident about handling accidental deletions in Zotero. Thank you for tuning in today, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips to make the most out of your Zotero experience. Have a great day!